Ginger tea isn't just a delicious beverage, it's a powerful natural remedy that can transform your respiratory health. In this video, we'll explore the incredible ways ginger tea can help you fight chest congestion and breathe easier. 1. Natural airway relaxation. Ginger has a remarkable ability to relax airway smooth muscles, potentially helping to open up breathing passages. Scientific research shows that ginger can cause significant relaxation of contracted airways, making it a natural bronchodilator. This means ginger tea could help you breathe more freely during respiratory challenges. 2. Powerful anti-inflammatory action. The gingerol compounds in ginger provide potent anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce throat and respiratory tract inflammation. These phytonutrients work to soothe irritated airways, potentially providing relief from chest congestion and associated discomfort. 3. Mucus-busting expectorant properties. Ginger acts as a natural expectorant, helping to loosen and clear mucus from the respiratory tract. By drinking ginger tea, you can help break down phlegm and make it easier to clear congestion. This can be particularly helpful during cold and flu season. 4. Immune system boost. Raw ginger has been shown to boost immunity, providing an additional layer of defense against respiratory infections. Its antioxidant properties help protect your body from oxidative damage and support overall respiratory health. 5. Soothing respiratory symptoms. Ginger tea offers a warming effect that can help soothe throat irritation and provide relief from coughing. Its natural compounds can help suppress coughs and reduce the discomfort associated with chest congestion. As a pro tip, for maximum benefits, prepare ginger tea by steeping fresh ginger slices in hot water. You can enhance its effectiveness by adding a touch of honey and lemon for additional respiratory support. By incorporating ginger tea into your wellness routine, you're not just enjoying a delicious drink, you're giving your respiratory system a powerful natural ally. Breathe easier, feel better, and unlock the incredible healing potential of ginger tea.